How can anyone describe an imaginary character? Motl was very real to me, but he was imagined by Sholem Aleichem. A typical mischievous boy. All his adventures and his brother Eli and his friend Pinya, they are funny. They are such funny characters and real. They spring from the page and you say, hello, I know you. Remarkable. I identified so completely with him. It was the first Sholem Aleichem book I read in Russian. I understood Yiddish, but did not read it. My mother's translation. And then later Tamara Kahana's translation of Motl. Motl was my childhood friend. I spent my days with Motl and his adventures.